Hello boys and girls. We are going to discuss about condition and warranties. Terms of contract, condition and warranties are used to designate the responsibility of the parties involved in the agreement. They are set out in a contract to determine remedies in a case of breach of obligation on the part of either party. There are distinct differences between the two. What is condition?
According to Section 12, subsection 2 of SOGA, a condition is a stipulation essential to the main purpose of the contract. A contract cannot be fulfilled unless the condition is fulfilled. If the condition is breached, the party can reject the contract. Breach of condition can be treated as breach of warranty if the party is happy with compensation. There are two types of conditions present in typical contract: express condition and implied condition. An example of express condition: Sally wanted to buy a new house. Sally meets with the landlord and they both agree to the terms and price, where all the elements are specifically stated either orally or in writing. Implied conditions are not verbally discussed but are expected to be a part of the contract. An example of implied conditions is Jill wants to get a haircut. She ready to look fabulous. After the haircut, she thanked to the hairstylist. An implied contract is one that does not explicitly state the agreements between the parties, but in which the terms of the agreement can be inferred from the conduct of the parties.
Here is the example case scenario of condition.
For example, Clement wants to buy a new laptop and he purposely wants to buy a laptop with the new software Windows 10 because the new features on Windows 10 has eligible software for his video editing purpose. He went to a shop and told the seller that he wants to buy a laptop with the latest software Windows 10, and later the seller pointed a particular laptop and told him that it should fit for his condition. Clement bought the laptop, and when he powers on the laptop, he found out that the laptop was installed with the older version software, which is Windows 7. Clement wants to sue the seller because he has breached the condition of the condition had by Clement when about to buy the laptop. He made a condition that the laptop should install with the latest software Windows 10. However, end up he gets the older version software. Therefore, the condition of the contract has breached in the first place and Clement can sue the seller. There is an actual law case of Posset vs. Pius and Pond with the plaintiff opera singer who had a contract to perform on November 28th. However, the singer fell ill from November 23rd to December 4th. The defendants found a new substitute singer and were given the whole contract to them. On December 4th, the opera singer was returned and wants to sue the contractor to breach the contract. Turn up, the court determined the singer has breached the contract because the condition on her contract is to perform on November 28th, but she was not appeared on November 23rd and onwards. Thus, her claim has failed.
What are warranties?
According to Section 12, subsection 3 and subsection 4 of SOGA, warranty is a stipulation collateral to the main purpose of the contract, the breach of which gives rise to a claim for damages, but not to a right to reject the goods and treat the contract as repudiated. For example, Abu bought a kettle from Harvey Norman with 2 years warranty. However, in the year 1, the kettle became malfunction. Abu can claim the damages from Harvey Norman because of the malfunction, but Abu cannot repudiate the contract again because warranties are used for claim damages only. For example, AK Event Management was planned to have a concert with A.R. Rahman in Malaysia. A.R. Rahman agrees to have the concert on 5th January at Dataran Merdeka. The event manager contacts A.R. Rahman and asks him to be in Malaysia by 3rd January to check out his concert venue as well as the preparation of the concert. However, due to delayed flight from India, A.R. Rahman was not able to arrive at Malaysia on 3rd January and his next flight was on the 4th January morning. The AK Event Management cancelled the contract with A.R. Rahman and want to sue him because he had breached the contract. However, the court determines that looking to the preparation of the concert is not a condition in a contract, thus it is a warranty. The defendants were entitled to the damages and A.R. Rahman has not breached the contract in the first place. The actual law case of Bettini vs. Jai, whereby Bettini is an opera singer and he agreed to sing in London on 30th March. Bettini also told that he would arrive in London 6 days before the event. However, Bettini became ill and does not arrive in London until 3 days before the first performance. The company wants to sue Bettini due to breach the contract. The court said that rehearsal is a warranty and not a condition in which it was not basic part of the contract. Therefore, the opera company entitled to damages.
Next, we are going to see the difference between condition and warranties.
As mentioned earlier, a condition is a stipulation which is an essential to the main purpose of the contract, whereas warranties are stipulation which is collateral. A breach of condition, the party can leave the contract. In contrast, breach of warranties cannot leave the contract. Instead, they can only claim the damages. In condition, the breach may be treated as the breach of warranties. Somehow, in breach of warranties cannot be treated as breach of condition.